equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Ensure you have a replacement battery compatible with the Conga 1090. Before starting, make sure the device is turned off and unplugged from any power source. First, locate the screws on the back panel of the Conga 1090. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage the casing. With the back panel removed, you will see the battery compartment. Take a moment to inspect the internal components for any dust or debris. Using the soft cloth, clean the area around the battery to ensure a good connection with the new battery. Now, disconnect the old battery by gently pulling the connector away from the motherboard. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. Next, take your new battery and connect it to the motherboard. Ensure the connection is secure, as a loose connection can lead to performance issues. Once connected, place the new battery into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Before reassembling the device, double-check that everything is in order. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Now, carefully replace the back panel of the Conga 1090. Align it properly and press down gently until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not overly tight to avoid damaging the casing. Finally, give your device a quick wipe down to remove any fingerprints or smudges. Once everything is back in place, turn on your Conga 1090 and check if it powers up correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair. Remember, no calls, no travel. We make it easy for you to get your device serviced right from your home. And that's it. You've successfully changed the battery in your Conga 1090. Regular maintenance like this can extend the life of your device and ensure optimal performance. Happy cleaning. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.